Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Sirchia. I'm the head of Community Evangelism here at SUSE, and I am joined by our General Manager of Business Critical Linux, Vojtěch Pavlík. Vojtěch, welcome.
Hello, glad to be with you today.
Vojtěch, with CentOS 7 reaching end of life, businesses are facing some significant challenges. What do some of these risks pose for enterprises going forward?
It is actually quite surprising how many businesses, how many users are still on CentOS 7, even compared to the later 8 and 9 releases. So when you have a underlying operating system that reaches end of life, that makes you think about what do I do with the application on top of it. And of course, if you have chosen CentOS back then, the application may have not been all that important. But if you are still using it after that many years, it probably has some value to you. And once the operating system would go out of support, there's actually a lot of potential danger in operating it further. There is no more security updates. There is no more compliance because a lot of legal systems are requiring that systems are kept updated and secure. So you need to start looking at how do I go forward. We are true believers in choice, in openness, and in avoiding vendor lock-in. So SUSE is also stepping up, and we have been actually at this for a while. Our SUSE Liberty offering is around, and so SUSE is happy to take on those challenges.
Now, those are some challenges that CentOS users are facing. What can SUSE do to help them?
So I mentioned Liberty Linux already. So Liberty Linux is a fully compatible build of the CentOS or RHEL enterprise operating system based on OpenELA, Open Enterprise Linux Association sources, right? So that allows you to actually move from your current installation without changing anything other than really changing the source for the updates. Keep your application as it is and have, again, even after end of life, a fully maintained and supported system.
SUSE has been around for over 30 years. With all of that experience, how can we bring that to our customers and how can they leverage that moving forward?
So we have been at it for 30 years already. And SUSE was the first company to introduce enterprise Linux to the market as well. So our customers, our existing customers, have learned that they can really rely on SUSE's leadership and guidance in the open source space. When it comes to operating systems, and also today when it comes to operating system management or Kubernetes and container management. So this is what SUSE is offering. Right now with Liberty, we are offering a very easy vehicle to continue with your current installations, but we would be very happy to work with you in consulting, in talking about what other solutions SUSE can provide. For example, SUSE Manager, which is a cross-platform operating system management tool that can, of course, manage SUSE as it says on the tin, but also any Red Hat compatible, any CentOS compatible, Debian or Ubuntu compatible operating system. So then you have all that management on a single pane of glass. So we have introduced a number of technologies in the past to the market, first with virtualization on Linux, first with enterprise level live patching on Linux, open source based. And now we are working to enable confidential computing, which potentially will be another major evolution in the security of computing.
So we heard how SUSE can help our customers. What's some of the ways that they can get started with us going forward?
Right. So I mean that's pretty simple. Just call us, and we'll be with you. Our salespeople will be very happy to discuss your specific challenges, and our service organization will help you actually design the transition. In most cases, it will be pretty trivial because, as I said, it's just a change of a single configuration file. But As you will learn about more SUSE products, more SUSE solutions, we can architect together a transition also to work on top of SUSE's operating system, SUSE Micro, SUSE Enterprise Server, that then offer additional functionality, additional innovation, and additional future-proofing.
We've heard what CentOS users can do and how SUSE can support them. Wojciech, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure.